In today's video, we are going to be talking about the one and only Ethereum. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. If you are holding Ethereum, the last couple of days have been absolutely amazing. And hopefully you guys have made a ton of profit and hopefully you're actually taking some profits. So in today's video, we will talk about Ethereum. I will show you my Ethereum holdings and I will give you my breakdown on how I plan on taking profits in Ethereum in this bull run. So before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section below and let's go. So Ethereum has been on an absolute tear over the last couple of days. As I make this video, Ethereum is over $3,250, which is absolutely amazing in my opinion. So now the majority of the attention is shifting to altcoins and Ethereum in particular. A lot of big institutions are now talking about buying Ethereum. We all know what happened when institutions started buying Bitcoin. It just kept going higher and higher and higher. But right now, Bitcoin is stagnant. It is pretty much staying between $55,000 and $60,000. But that is an excellent sign for Ethereum. If Bitcoin dominance continues to fall and Bitcoin pretty much maintains these levels and stays flat, I believe alts are going to have a massive run. But this is just my personal opinion. Do not take it as financial advice. Make sure to do your own research. But in my opinion, this is a very bullish sign for alts. Right now, all eyes are on Ethereum. And Ethereum is definitely performing. It was lagging for the last couple of months, but right now, it is time for ETH to make people a ton of money. And now, without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into my Robinhood account so I can show you my Ethereum holdings and I will share my complete strategy on how I plan on taking profits from my Ethereum positions. Let's go. Alright, so now we are inside of my Robinhood account and as you can see, my position is worth over $98,000. I am recording this video very late. It is like 11 o'clock. But most of the time during the late night, a lot of the cryptos do pull back. But I am still happy with my position. And if we scroll down, we pretty much made over $7,000 today. And all-time high so far was over $104,000. Almost $105,000, which is absolutely amazing, especially since I only invested around $10,000 in this account. And right now, it is almost $100,000. Awesome return so far. And now let's take a quick look into all the positions that I am holding in my Robinhood account. Alright, now we are going to scroll down and you're going to see my stock position. As you can see, those are just free stocks that I got off of the Robinhood app for pretty much inviting people. Normally, I just let those stocks sit. I do not sell them simply because they're like $3, $4. So I pretty much ignore those. There's like 5 or 6 of them, but let's scroll down. And now let's look at my cryptocurrency position. As you can see, I'm holding 3 cryptos in my account. I'm holding 1.56 Bitcoin Cash, which is like the smallest position. I'm holding 519 Ethereum Classic. And so far, Ethereum Classic has done very well for me. And I'm holding just over 21 Ethereum. Let's click on my Ethereum position. As you can see right now, Ethereum is having a minor pullback, but I believe tomorrow we're gonna take off once again. And when we scroll down, you will see my average cost for Ethereum is $476. And it has grown over 583% with a total profit of $58,726 on my Ethereum position, which is absolutely amazing. Also, it makes up 69% of my portfolio on the Robinhood app. Let's go back and let's look at my Ethereum Classic position. Also, so far today, it has done very well, up over 16%. When we scroll down, my average cost was $5.76. And it has made a whopping 872% return, and a total profit of over $26,000. Ethereum Classic has done very well for me. It has even outperformed Ethereum. Personally, Ethereum Classic is not a coin that I will hold long term simply because it doesn't do much. But I cannot deny the gains that Ethereum Classic has made me. And now let's go back and look at my final position, which is Bitcoin Cash. When we scroll down, you will see that Bitcoin Cash has made me 117% with a profit of $813. So this is a very, very small position. The majority of my position on Robinhood is Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. And now that you have seen my Ethereum positions, let's talk about taking profits and my strategy on how I plan on taking profits from these positions. It is absolutely awesome watching your account go from 10,000 to 30,000 to 50,000 to 70,000 to over $100,000. But it is even better if you can lock in some of those profits. Bull runs do not last forever. Ethereum going up will not last forever. I have been investing in crypto in 2017 and in 2018. And believe me when I say this, in 2018 and 2017, there was a ton of FOMO, a ton of hype, a ton of excitement. Every coin was going to the moon and everybody was investing. Your next door neighbor, your grandmother, your uncle, your cousin, everybody was trying to get into crypto. And when everybody was FOMOing in, that was the top. And that's when things started going down and a lot of people lost a ton of money. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that we have hit the top right now. I'm just saying that right now I am definitely starting to take profits in all the coins that I'm holding. I do not want to be left holding a heavy bag when the thing starts crashing. This bull run is not going to last forever. And any influencer, any YouTuber that is telling you, yo, this bull run is going to last until August or until November or until December or until next year, they do not know. They're pretty much guessing just like everyone else. You can look at 1,000 charts and 1,000 indicators and you will still not be able to predict the future. So personally, I'm not depending on any chart or on any influencer or pretty much anybody. I'm taking profits along the way. And now let's look at exactly how I plan on taking profits. As I make this video, my Robinhood account is around $100,000. So from this point on, every day I'll be withdrawing $1,000 from my Ethereum positions. Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. So starting tomorrow, I will sell $1,000. Then every single day after, I will sell another $1,000 in my Ethereum and my Ethereum Classic position. This way I'll be doing a couple of things. First off, I will be taking profits every single day. I will be getting out my initial investment. Also, I will be dollar cost averaging out. I am not going to sell my entire position in Ethereum or Ethereum Classic in one go. I want to average it out for a couple of reasons. Reason number one is because I believe Ethereum and Ethereum Classic are going to continue to climb even higher in this bull run. When I sell $1,000 a day, I will still be left with $100,000 in both of these coins. And when these coins continue to rise, I'll be making even more profits. At the same time, I'm taking money off the table and I'm leaving a ton of money to continue to grow and make me even more profits. If this bull run continues for the next 100 days, I would have withdrawn $100,000 in profits by then. And whatever my position is left at the end of this bull run, I will most likely liquidate my entire position and take all the profits that I possibly can. Cryptocurrency investing is a long-term game for me. I want to make as much money as possible in the next bull run. I know a lot of people invested $5,000, $10,000 in this bull run, and now their investments are like $80,000, $100,000. But that is still not life-changing money for a lot of people. Just imagine how much profit we are going to make in the next bull run. But for that to happen, we have to take profits in this bull run. We have to make smart decisions in this bull run. That way, when the bear market comes and everything is down 80-90%, we will have a ton of money on the sidelines ready to purchase and ready to make life-changing money. Also, when it comes to taking profits, here are two things that I'm doing. First off, I'm taking the money and I'm putting it onto BlockFi so I can earn interest and earn even more free crypto. Also, if you check out the BlockFi link in the description box below, you'll be able to get up to $250 worth of free crypto. And right now, BlockFi is running a promotion where they are giving 10% interest on all stable coins deposited on BlockFi for a limited amount of time. So make sure you check it out. I'm also taking profits with the KuCoin exchange, and I'm taking my USDT and USDC and I'm lending it on KuCoin to make even more profits. Those are my favorite two ways on taking profits and making more profits on top of my profits. That is what I'm doing, guys. That is my strategy. That is when I plan on selling my Ethereum and my Ethereum Classic. But do not take this as financial advice. Make sure to do your own research. Every single person has a different position. Every single person is holding different coins, and every single person has a different goal in mind for their holdings. These are just my plans and what I'm doing with my positions. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below, and if you have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. And Ethereum, let's go to the moon. Peace out.